Welcome to CodeGrow. Congratulations. If you've just joined, you've just decided to take the leap, get an account, start making apps, or if you've been here a while, this is the video of me walking through everything, where to go from step A to step D, where to start, where to end. So this is the full breakdown of the platform. So this is going to be your dashboard. Here you can see your current month's revenue, last month's revenue, and a comparison between them, how much total users you get, and how much potential sale revenue you have from selling the apps once they are finished, once you're done with them, once you're ready to sell them. So these all come from the creation tracker. So that's where you're going to be tracking all your whole projects, all your release projects, anything you're working on, anything you release, anything you're ready to sell. So here's your full sales overview, a full breakdown of everything that you have from last month, the month before, the whole year. So you can go through them and you can see the full breakdown per app per month. Here's a list of your projects. These are your non-starter ones as well as your starter ones. So just so you can get a full overview of what you have. Anytime you come in here when you're deciding that you want to make a new app, this is where it'll be a quick view for you. Here's a full breakdown of all your active users. Once again, this is all added and tracked from Creation Tracker. And here's your app idea quick notes. So these are your quick notes that you come up with, a random idea while you're working. So you can just throw them in here and add it. And then here's a quick access to the AI app tool. This is the same one as over here, just on your dashboard. So when you're making ideas. So I'll just show a quick presentation of what that looks like. So you generate app ideas, and then here, you're going to go ahead and choose one. You can either copy the idea and go straight to the AI app tool and create the idea, or you can just save it for later. So we're going to go with, let's say, the recipe finder. I'm going to save idea. You can come here and refresh, and now recipe finder is in your app idea quick notes. So you can delete them once you're done with them, once you've moved into projects. Now, where you ideally should be starting as a beginner, intermediate, wherever you're starting from, you should always start at the full course. So this is split into two sections. So you have the video course and you have the guides course. So the video course is where you're going to find all the videos, step-by-step guides on how to do everything. So that is all in here, all 4 modules, and then each document that you need for each video. So to follow along, for you to do afterwards, worksheets, if you want to just download the guides to have next to you while you're developing, they're all laid out here. So you just go to here, click on file, and then it opens it up in your browser, so you don't have to download every single one of them, but you can then choose to download them. So once you finish this, that's when I recommend moving on to the tools. So here's the AI app tool. So as we said before, you can create the idea manually. These ones, the quick ones that you chew down here, you can just copy one of them, come in here and just paste it. Or you can go ahead and create the AI project inside the AI app tool. So that's what we're going to be showing today on how that works. So you get your 10 ideas that you can choose from. I'm going to go with color match. So you choose the idea, and then the AI app tool will create the full project for you. Of course, you have the name of the project, the full project overview, what kind of pages you should have, the functionality of the app, where you should place your ads, recommended ad frequency, a full color palette for you, and then here's your App Store name idea, App Store title, App Store description, and then a logo idea. So from here, you want to click Save Project, and that is going to be saved inside your project. As you can see, here we go, color match, and then you can view the full project again as you're going through development stage. You can of course choose to delete it, and then this is where Creation Tracker comes in. So you're gonna go into Creation Tracker, add the project that you're either working on, starting developing, or you've created already. And so here we go, color match. So we're gonna use this example as we've already created this project. So it's been released to the App Store, and it's our first version. And the number of downloads they've gone so far, so if it's 0, then just put it in as 0. If you've got a few downloads so far, just add that in. Number of active users, that usually tends to be lower than the number of downloads, but let's just say we have 8 for now, and the number of views. So this is just to track everything. Once you're done with it all, you have to click save, and then everything's saved for you. Here is our AdMob monetization. So in the full course, you'll be walkthrough of AdMob. So here's the number of requests and the CPM to have, just to be able to keep track of everything. And then our Flipper listing. Have you listed on Flipper, the sale, and how much have you listed it for? These links here are all your links for quick access. So where you store your project inside GitHub, so you just put the GitHub link in here, your App Store link once it's released, and your App Store Connect link. This will bring you to App Store Connect, where your app is stored, so where you can see all your live analytics from Apple's point of view. And here you can track your whole revenue. So if you've made money, or when you made money, so let's say you made $230, and you have to choose the date when you got paid, and you add the revenue, and everything is tracked fully. So I can show you a better one. So Habit Tracker. See, it's been tracked every single month, every single transaction. So that just helps keep everything together. So all the data is tracked here. So when you're going to sell your app on Flipper and you're creating your sales deck, you can just download the PDF here, a full report of the app. You can use that in your Flipper listing, or you can just use the data from the PDF in your Flipper listing. Ready apps, we're not going to cover today. This is for the yearly users. So these are ready, finished apps that you can just download, reskin, and upload to the App Store. Everything is ready. You just got to put in your credentials, like your AdMob account and your Firebase account. So these are Canva templates. So to speed up the production for you. So app sketch templates, so you can click view, And then from there, you get the full breakdown that's ready to go. You just have to edit it, create your idea, create your app, create your design, just throw it all in there, and then you can go ahead and start production. So we have 3 different types of those, and there's more being added every single day. So we have the authentication pages. So these are designs ready to go for you. Same as these ones, you just click it, you copy it, you edit it, and then you have the full design. So you don't have to go ahead and design these regular things. Like if you have multiple apps with login pages, you can just have a template one. You can start your design off that, change colors, change the palette based off what the AI app tool recommends for you. We have the App Store screenshot templates. We have 4 of those. So this is when you're releasing to the App Store. You can just copy this again, view, copy, and then put in your own screenshots, your own text, and then within 5 to 10 minutes, you're ready, as opposed to having to design these for hours and make it look beautiful. It's just ready to go for you. And then we have 9 ad creatives here for you. Of course, more being added every single day, but this is the same idea. You should copy it, add your own text, and just drop in the screenshots from your app, and they are ready to go. So the icon size generator is when you're going to go release to the App Store. You need multiple different sizes of your app logo. So you just drop your any sized app icon in here, generate icons, and it will download you a zip file which you can open up, and it's a folder of all the app sizes you could possibly need. Now this you'll need for Xcode, and of course the full course where I run you through it and show you how to use this. But this is where you put them into, download the images, and then you put them into Xcode, so you don't have to change 12 different icon sizes. It automatically does it for you. Chrome extensions. These are Chrome extensions for when you finish the app and you're going to go marketing, or you're going to go for market research as well. This is very good. These are all AI Chrome extensions. You can just click view and then add them to your Chrome. So as you can see here, CodeGrow AI engagement tool, and then of course I already have added the Chrome. And there's a full walkthrough on this inside the full course. Finally, we have the flipper templates, which is your pitch deck and your app portfolio. Multiple pitch decks. This can be good for when you're pitching to a possible buyer, for adding it to your flipper listing, so buyers can just download and take a look at your full pitch deck, full description. Everything is made for you. Just put in your description, put in your details, and you put in your pictures. But the full layout's ready for you, so you don't have to spend time making that. And here's your app portfolio for when you're presenting to a potential buyer. You can show them a full app portfolio. You can have this on your flipper profile as opposed to the listing, so people can just download it and view all your apps and maybe get in touch with you for which ones they want to buy. And then finally, up here we have billing. So this, when you click, it will show all your information. This is where you can change your plan from monthly to yearly or cancel your subscription, whatever you decide to want to do. From there, you can also reset your password and view your account details. On the notification bell, this is a full breakdown of what you should do step by step. Complete full course will bring you to the full course. So everything, it just brings you to the location. So if you're ever lost, just click up here, decide where you are in your process. I'm still designing my app, or I'm already started development, or I need to create the Xcode icons, and it will just bring you there. And then of course, this is the log out button. And that is the full run through of what the app is looking like, where you need to go, what you need. If you need any more help, feel free to contact me. But this video should cover everything. And if you ever feel lost, just refer back to this video, refer to it wherever you are in the development process, and follow this guide if you need to. Best of luck.